You see, those are two things contradicting Bwana Martin. Tuweta aramanto ina yara ya sniper wibu 86 million Bwana Martin. Tuweta senate attendere inya kwa riro arabstain kero ariru Bwana Martin. How can you nateomba ko explain such a thing? Manto yara kuthithia, they are totally different from the office that he holds as the bishop. Mea Biblia everyone ndene yukure Corinthians Bwana Timotheo Bwana Martin. You desires to be a bishop, desires a good thing. Ura wiri raidi ateke a bishop na iri raidi kintu kekeya. Lakini naitia weka ende mbati. Bishop no mwankedro ate mwendi ombesa. No mwankedro mtu mwekuru umwe kana mukuru. O mwekuru umwe kana mwekuru mukuru umwe. No mwankethirwe ai muntu wendete thiri. Does those characteristics fall in the one Bishop Kawira Mwangaza?
You know, Kawira Mwangaza no ethiro awete, you know, no ethiro ena tani nyingi na tani ciothe ciumo yuririte imutumiria na nakwenda still kubwithiria, you know, Meru yonthe ri ngui kamina Meru iri yonthe ngui. So maybe this is where ibabu butamwelewa kwithirwa ati ena too much on his plate, on her plate.
Bwana Martin, the virtue of being humble, humility, kuinichia, kwaraniria, communication, kurianira na antu bangi, you cannot work alone even in this studio Bwana Martin, and I have told you several times. Utiumba kuritangwe wengo Bwana Martin. You need other people to succeed.
True.
You need other people to step forward. Antu bamoibo inyeku, antu bamoibo your destiny connector, bamoibo your destiny helper. Do you know Kawira aketha nire kinyakara ya mono lakini no kurika na tokea andra metebe ketha ni lenture no tethiri Kawira for the first time. But then at the end of the day what happened? Ba mokinya MPs baba Meru ba motevi the other time. But today she has no regard for anybody. Nande Bwana Martin nilo tukuatiri, this office needs someone who can be able to cut across.
Who is this someone?
Na kwariria youth, na kwari na kuru, na kwari na ekuru, na kwari na ministers, na kwari nya na waze by Hondas betu wa Meru. Not another person Bwana Martin. We are waiting for the swearing in. Yan Motumanto Ethingia as the governor of Meru.
It's not guaranteed.
Why? Kawira na impeachero bwana.
Na impeachero lakini manto ya 14.
Tarik 15 we are waiting to hear the ruling. Okay, akwitho agachagwo otebia arayite. Kuia otebio the mutuse na atile ko substantiate even one kinya kamwe ererare political ngundi wiri ekwenga muntu. Otebio agachagwo arethetie no atia
Kawira gayite
imulima arathetaira na otebiyite ngavana uyu misuse the resources cia Meru. Achuna Meru ne thinire. Uteri cia Meru cionthe Martin wente kumetha no ito uteri ni cia Meru. Uteri cia to cia Meru cionthe cia thirire Martin. Ngwe cia Meru cia thiem because there is no money circulating in Meru. There is no project. Anto bawanga to achuno, batu tutora kurira na tuete to achuno cancer center yaita kinya na yaitire to kwa. Ata uko ilienda ijajengwa. Te barabara, te thoko. Now someone who has misused Meru resources, Bwana Martin. Well, itareka to kuanda Martin. Lakini let me say this Martin. Daika to kuanda. Mandram governor weta oro na mpempe cha kuanda. Martin yacha tambura Nairo. There is no honor. Anto aba ikairuinto. Tona governor ngo wigiri anto intoni. Kinya mbecha kinya chiachika chuo ikatharanirwa nara anto bakaunangwa. To na anto baire bionje no ntoba kuthano mbia bakindo baka oro. Today as we are talking, we have another now doesn't understand immediate our onda. Achokoya si na chief of staff bonde ba bwana na kwa tuka they are singing the same song. Kinya muntu ore thirikari ne munya ware very articulate muntu ware ametaratare mea okona na ira assimilate kirente to iranga bana thithagia cia kiundu nteto itikweleweka kwa tuka tunde itera kwanda Pembe Martin lakini irete ikathara no cha tamburana ibo ntongo gwira atiri ngavana ora twinwe atiji onda atiji mibango awe ikana Kameru akaritie ntikumekitha ikari kwa akaritie lakini itwire mwathani boya for the 2 years iraumĩte serve nonto natongete aroina ibatongete mathĩna iathirĩte kwao in person na Meru nĩyo eri thĩnene ĩndĩ katũthani mũtuma kanya for the next 3 years tuone mwanya
uraria
with finality.
Yeah, with a lot of finality.
With
I don't know what you know.
finality. I know. Bongo menya, the status quo remains that Kawira is not the governor of Meru na impeachero. And I want to give Meru hope that Tarik 15, the ruling and the judgment, I want, bwasitura waiki imuambi manyara. Akaroma vera, otina, Kawira tite. My friend, I respect so much.